The Monetary Policy Committee of the Central Bank of Nigeria has cut the interest rate by 50 basis points to 27%, while adjusting the cash reserve ratio and retaining other key parameters. At its 302nd meeting, which also coincides with the CBN governor's second year in office, the governor highlights gains in forex access, quicker complaints resolutions, and a stronger banking system. Uloma Oyemachi reports.
It's the CBN governor's fourth time this year addressing outcomes of the Monetary Policy Committee meetings. He says a unanimous decision of the MPC reduces the monetary policy rate by 50 basis points, now standing at 27%. Other key decisions include lowering the cash reserve ratio to 45% for commercial banks while retaining 16% for merchant banks. The asymmetric corridor has also been adjusted to plus and minus 250 basis points around the benchmark rate, while the liquidity ratio remains at 30%. The committee says the move is aimed at supporting and sustaining economic policies while consolidating the gains already recorded in disinflation, exchange rate stability, and external reserves.
It particularly noted the increased momentum of disinflation in August 2025, being the highest in the past 5 months. This deceleration, underpinned by monetary policy tightening, exchange rate stability, increased capital inflows, and surplus current account balance, have helped to broadly anchor inflation expectations.
Mr. Cardoso added that 14 banks have fully met recapitalization requirements, stressing that policy consistency is vital to strengthen the financial system. He lauded the record-breaking growth of the gross external reserves to $43.05 billion. But he warned that geopolitical tensions and trade uncertainties still pose risk in global output.
Global inflation is projected to sustain its deceleration, albeit at a slower pace due to the impact of trade tariffs and other structural challenges. This trajectory has necessitated a cautious and data-dependent approach to monetary policy easing by central banks, especially in emerging markets and developing economies.
The last MPC meeting for the year will hold November 24th and 25th, 2025. Uloma Oyemachi, TVC News, Abuja.